Ever heard of a forest giraffe? Or maybe a zebra giraffe? What if I told you there's a real animal out there that looks like a mashup of a zebra, a giraffe, and maybe even a little bit of a horse? Get ready to meet one of the most mysterious and beautiful animals on the planet, the Okapi. Now, when you first see an Okapi, you're probably going to notice those incredible striped legs. It's easy to think, oh, it must be related to the zebra. But here's the surprise. Those stripes are just camouflage. The Okapi's closest living relative is actually the giraffe. That's right. They are the only two surviving members of the Giraffidae family. Look closely at their heads. They have similar large ears, and male Okapis even have small skin-covered horns called ossicones, just like giraffes. So where do these secretive creatures live? Okapis are native to just one place on Earth, the dense, lush Ituri rainforest in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Their dark, reddish-brown coats and striped hindquarters are the perfect camouflage, helping them blend seamlessly into the shadows and filtered sunlight of the forest floor. This is why they were one of the last large mammals to be discovered by Western scientists, only officially described in 1901. For centuries, they were like a living legend to the local people, but a complete mystery to the outside world. Let's talk about some of their amazing features. Okapis have incredibly long prehensile tongues. We're talking about 14 to 18 inches long. Their tongues are so flexible and long that they can use them to wash their own eyelids and even clean their ears, inside and out. Talk about a built-in washcloth. This super tongue is also perfect for their diet. They are herbivores, and they use their tongues to strip leaves, buds, and twigs from over 100 different types of plants. Some of these plants are actually poisonous to humans, but Okapis have no problem digesting them. Okapis are generally solitary animals, preferring to roam their forest home alone. They mark their territory using a sticky, tar-like substance secreted from glands on their feet. Because they're so shy and live in such a remote area, they are very difficult to study in the wild. Much of what we know about them comes from observing them in conservation centers and zoos. They also have a unique way of communicating. While they're mostly silent, they can produce a low-frequency infrasound, a sound so low that it's below the range of human hearing. This is how mothers and calves keep in touch in the dense undergrowth without alerting predators like leopards. It's like their own secret communication channel. Unfortunately, this incredible animal is facing serious threats. The Okapi is listed as endangered. Habitat loss from deforestation and mining, as well as illegal poaching, are pushing this gentle giant to the brink. But there is hope. Conservation organizations like the Okapi Conservation Project are working tirelessly on the ground in the Congo to protect the Okapi's forest home, support local communities, and fight against poaching. By protecting the Okapi, we also protect the entire unique ecosystem of the Ituri rainforest and all the other species that call it home. The Okapi is a true marvel of nature, a symbol of the wild, undiscovered places left on our planet. They remind us that there's always something new and wonderful to learn about the natural world. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey to discover the incredible Okapi. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about amazing animals, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss our next adventure. See you next time.